Hi guys, I'm Sushmita, your crypto guide, and today I'll be talking about Bitcoin Pizza. This is a story that shows how cryptocurrency has come a long way from being an open source code money to what it is today. On May 22nd, 12 years ago, a programmer named Laszlo Hanyecz made a post on internet forum. I'll pay 10,000 bitcoins for a couple of pizzas. Like maybe two large ones, so I have some left over for the next day. Back then, Bitcoin was an obscure internet phenomenon only followed by a handful of enthusiasts, and 10,000 BTC was equivalent to approximately 41 US dollars. Using cryptocurrency to buy a physical good seemed more far-fetched than it does today. Recently, in April 2021, Bitcoin was trading around 60,000 USD. At that point, the Bitcoin Pizza transaction was worth 600 million USD. Thanks to this now fabled transactions, May 22nd has since been known as Bitcoin Pizza Day. Hanyecz acquired the coins through mining on his laptop. Back then, mining on even consumer-grade hardware was a completely sensible method of acquiring bitcoins. Since then, the world of cryptocurrency has changed a lot. And this was all about Bitcoin Pizza. To know more about such technical terms, do write in our comment section below and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.